Hi everyone, welcome to my crochet channel. Today I want to share with you my new triangular bag. I use this polyester rope 3mm, bead strap, hook 5 or 6mm, and scissors of rope, strap, hook. All links you can find in description. So let's start. It's very easy and simple pattern. It's very popular triangular on internet. I start with magic circle. You can find link how to crochet magic ring, how to make magic ring. Chain 3 in circle and 3 double crochet in magic ring. Together it looks like 4 double crochet stitches. Chain 2 and 5 double crochet in magic circle. Chain 2 and again 5 double crochet in circle. Chain 2 and 1 double crochet in circle. And I want to join with slip stitch. Yeah, it's not like a triangular yet, and close magic circle. First round is done, and move on to the second round. I will crochet with back post double crochet stitches and front post double crochet stitches. Therefore, I crochet chain 2, not 3, because front post and back post double crochet stitches are shorter than normally double crochet. Move on to the first front post double crochet. How I make it? Yarn over, insert hook from front to back, front back front, catch the yarn, pull the yarn, and again catch the yarn, pull. It's my first front post double crochet stitch. After that I crochet back post double crochet. It's a similar. Yarn over, but now I insert hook from back to front to back. Yeah, catch the yarn, pull the yarn, yarn over, again pull. Yeah, you can see it's front post double crochet and back post double crochet. So again, front post double crochet, yarn over, insert hook from front, back front, catch the yarn, pull, and here I crochet like double crochet. After that, move on to the 2 double crochet, chain 2, and again 2 double crochet in this chain of previous round. Here I crochet front post, back post, front post, back post, front post, double crochet stitches. After that, I crochet again this corner, 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet. If you need a printable pattern with instruction, with photos, with links, with list of yarn, you can find it in description, of course. Here I crochet again front post, back post, front post, back post, front post. And again I insert hook, catch the yarn, pull, yep, and again from back to front. And in the corner I crochet 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet. And here will be front post double crochet. Join with slip stitch. The second round is done. Chain 2, and again I crochet front post, back post, double crochet, yarn over, and here I will work this previous front post double crochet stitch, but it's the similar. First front post, after that back post. It's easy in the first round than it was in the second. Front post double crochet, and here where was our corner, repeat front post, back, front, back post, front post double crochet stitch, and I crochet again this corner, 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet. So front post double crochet, again back post, this chain I crochet 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet. And I always start with front post double crochet. And the last must be front post double crochet also. In chain I crochet 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet, front post double crochet, remember it please, back post double crochet, and with front post double crochet, joining with slip stitch. My 1, 2, 3 third round is done, so I'll move on to the next round. Chain 2 and yarn over and crochet front post double crochet, back post double crochet, back post double crochet, front post double crochet, and in the corner I crochet again 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet, no changes. So, as you understood, I will crochet here front, back, all this edge. In the corner I crochet 2 double crochet, chain 2 double crochet, and again. So see you in the end of the round. So I finished. Move on to the next round. Chain 2, front post double crochet, back post double crochet, back, front post double crochet stitches. In this chain I crochet corner, 2 double crochet, chain 2, and 2 double crochet. And again here we crochet front back, 2 double crochet, 2 chain and 2 double crochet in the corner, and again front back post double crochet stitches, and see you in the end of the last join with slip stitch. And I move on to the last round. It will be the similar, absolutely same. Front post double crochet stitch, back post double crochet stitch, again front post double crochet stitch, back post double crochet stitch, front post double crochet stitch, double crochet in the chain, chain 2, and again 2 double crochet, and after corner I crochet front post double crochet, after that back post double crochet stitch. Yeah, and we repeat. See you in the end of the round. So I finished my last round. Now I wanna join these two parts together. So